Welcome to DIACC's Digital Trust Stories. These stories explain the benefits of digital trust and verification. Meet Daniel. Daniel, an aircraft manufacturing engineer, oversees aircraft component production, ensuring they meet safety and quality standards. He faces challenges securing IoT devices, enhancing supply chain transparency, and ensuring regulatory compliance. Secure industrial IoT devices and data. In aircraft manufacturing, IoT devices are crucial in monitoring production processes and collecting data to ensure precision and quality. Daniel believes digital trust and credential services could help secure these devices and the data they generate, protecting them from tampering and unauthorized access. How it works. Daniel's company uses IoT devices to monitor machinery and production lines. Each device has a digital credential that verifies its authenticity and secures the data it collects. One day, Daniel notices unusual activity on one of the production machines. Using digital verification, he quickly verifies the integrity of the IoT device and the data, ensuring no malicious tampering. Compliance with safety regulations. Compliance with safety regulations is crucial in aircraft manufacturing. Daniel uses a digital verification service during an audit to provide tamper-proof credentials that confirm processes and components meet safety standards, simplifying compliance, reducing risks, and ensuring aircraft safety. The benefits. Enhanced security protects IoT devices and data from tampering and unauthorized access, ensuring the production process stays secure. Improved transparency allows precise tracking of components in the supply chain, reducing delays and keeping counterfeit parts out. Streamlined compliance makes it easier to follow safety regulations, speeding up audits and making them more accurate. Increased efficiency comes from automating processes, reducing manual work and reducing the chance of errors. Connect with us to learn more about the benefits of digital trust and verification. We put people, privacy, and security at the center of digital trust.